Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Gabby's Moms again. Hey guys, so welcome to St. Thomas More Catholic Church here in Calgary. And of course, we are here to attend a baptism of Martina. So as you can see, this is the inside the church. Yan. Hi Martina, that's our birthday celebrant as well as her baptism day. So as you can see guys, this is a private event. There's no other baptism going on in this church, so it's just a family and friends. So yeah, it's a cute and huge church. Actually, this is the first time that we've been here at this church. So yeah, we have actually met few people here at this event. At first time that we have met Yvette and her family. Ayan, so mega Lord her prayers. Yan at ang aming mga tropa. So here it is. Ayan, very quiet lang kasi solemn lang talaga yung baptism because nga private lang siya, walang ibang tao kundi family and friends. Ayan, so nakakatuwa yung pari dyan. At buti na lang, mabait ang aming Martina dahil hindi siya umiyak. Ayan. Nakakatawa siya. Pati yung ate niya guys, kasi dalawa sila. Ayan. So, syempre nakikita niyo naman si Gabby, feeling ninang din siya. Dahil ang ninong talaga dito is Kuya Archie, but he's not able to attend kasi he has work. Ayan. So, ang proxy niya is si Mita, which is my sister Bella. And of course, syempre, papahuli ba naman si Gabby dyan. Ayan. Kaya nandyan din siya. Siyempre, di natin makunan sa harap si Father dahil nakabilang side tayo. So, yan siya. Yan yung mga ninong at ninang. And of course, the parents and Martina. Ano pa bang ganap? Mabilis lang guys yung ano dito, yung misa. Parang basta mabilis lang yung binyagan in short. Then after nito ay, yan ang family. Minus yung ate ni Martina na napaka-cute din. Nandun siya sa lolo at lola niya. At after nito guys, sa susunod na video, I have the video for the reception at Max Treasure in Calgary. Ayan. So, pabilis lang talaga siya. Ayan. Maraming tao. Maraming dumating. Ayan guys. So, isang binyagan lang yan Imagine pagka mas maraming tao, mas masaya. And of course, bago matapos ang lahat, syempre nandito ang aking inaanak na si Adi at nagpicture muna kami. Voila. Ayan, that's me and Adi and Ate Gabby. And of course, may mga friendship pa tayong dumating dyan. Ang ganda namin dyan, no? Walang kokontra. And of course, me and Jing. Ayan, di ba? Nag-usap kami ng color ng aming uniforme. Char. And of course, picture muna tayo dyan, Gabby and Mommy. Wow! Ayan. Plank kayo dyan. And of course, my sister. Bago tayo pumunta sa reception, kasi talagang mabilis lang guys ang binyagan dito. Hindi siya sintigal. And just like that guys, and of course, before we go to the reception, more pictures. And of course guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check other videos, like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Take care. We love you all.